the Horn Farm Center for Agricultural Education recently opened its doors for the unveiling of its newly renovated farmhouse, which was destroyed in 2021 when lightning struck and caused a devastating fire.
The entire roof was gone, the entire third floor attic space was gone, and the fire burned all the way to the floor of the second floor. Very early on, we understood the importance of preserving this place's history. This farm has been farmed for over 200 years. The building itself was built in the 1840s, so it is a historical structure. It's been part of our mission to preserve the history of this land and the use of this land, which is agriculture.
Horn Farm hired the architecture firm Murphy and Dittenhafer for the rebuilding and adaptive reuse of the original farmhouse.
It is a bit of a preservation, restoration, stabilization. It's a bit of a hybrid because it is a bit of adaptive reuse on the inside. It's pretty true to the farmhouse appearance on the exterior, but again, sort of the opportunity was to modify the layout to give, in the end, a much more usable interior layout for the programs that they're going to have.
We had local foundations that contributed to this project. We had individuals who supported this, volunteers who came out to help us out after the fire. So it's the culmination of a lot of effort from a lot of different people who believe in the work that we do and support our mission. And so today was a celebration of that community success.
The restored farmhouse will now serve as an education center, expanding the farm's mission of providing a diverse range of classes, workshops, and programs year-round.
Now with the new facility, we're excited because we have a new capacity that we haven't had before, and we're just excited to see how much more impact we can make now that we have this new facility to accommodate our programs. And we knew that it was important to our neighbors, to our community to rebuild, and also the county as well. The property is owned by the County of York, and so they've been, a partner in helping to restore the building as well.